Coach, brilliant performance from my team today. See you doing work in the tactical board right throughout the game. First of all, tell us how you think the team perform and take us through the game.
Well, you were right. The most important is the performance. And I think that the team spoke for myself inside the pitch. I have a coaching philosophy which is always to attack. And if we lose the ball, to fight for the ball, to try to recover as soon as possible, to attack again. And that's the reason why we create so many opportunities. And at the end of the game, I think that it was fair that we win 3 points.
Not just the amount of chances you guys created and scoring, but also a clean sheet away from home. How important is that your defense stand up to the game and goalkeeper trump big 1 and 2 times?
Well, remember that Montego Bay United last season was out of the top 6 because of the goal average, isn't it? So it is important. But the secret is the teamwork. We work as a team. So I say that we try different tactical systems. We start with a 3-3-1 and we finish playing 3-4-3 because of the circumstance. Racing United is a good side. They have good, faster players. The game was not finished. We kill at the end of the game. But they have a good team. All the teams in the league are very complicated. It's not easy because they're fighting for relegation. So we need to respect them and go one game at a time.
All right, Coach Zappata. 25 minutes into the game. See that you got numerous golden opportunities. Shani Thomas, might I add. How do you feel today if you walked away without a goal today, after having so many chances earlier?
Well, that happened. That happened at football. You play football and you know that happens sometimes. The most important is, in my case, is that the team create chances. And then decision making depends on the players inside the pitch. So they have to take the decisions. But the most important is the team create chances. And we have a game style. So we try to play offensive football and attacking football. We control the game. So there are many positive things.
You have a lot of joy in your left-hand side. Talk us to the role that you can pronounce it in Hopsidale. The left back, talk us through his performance and his influential role into the team.
Well, he is like Marcelo for Real Madrid. He is a left back that also is a good midfielder and wing. So he do everything in the left side. He did a great game, but not only himself. I think that the whole team have a good performance, and again, the team spoke for myself inside the pitch.
Second half, you went in 2-0 up, but you seem to made a sub. Demario Phillips, he came down. What went through your mind to bring him on at halftime?
No, well, Demario got an injury last game, so that's the reason why he didn't start. But at the end, he can play in several positions. He can play number 6, number 8, number 10. He's a world-class player. I think that he deserves a chance in the Reggae Boyz. He's an amazing player. But not only himself. I have a group of amazing players, like 30 players, a really nice mix of experience and youth. So it's a long race, so we have to go one game at a time. Thank you, guys.